Welcome back. I know I'm in the car. That's crazy. I'm outside a market. That's just how strapped for time I am. I'm about to have residue all over the inside of my car, but you know, the things you do. Anyways, today was a long day. I've done a lot. Very productive. I'm trying to see if y'all can see this. I don't think I've done an unmolding since I got my nails done. So they're shorter. I decided to get shorter nails. Well, actually these, yeah, shorter. They were my nails last time too, and the last few times. Oh my goodness. Is the window open? It's hot. Oh my gosh. This looks kind of like the one that I did before. Oh, yeah, it does look like the last one. The first soap dish that I did. But it's a different shade. It's similar. It's not the same. But yeah, here we are. It's the only one I got. I had to get it out because I don't have any soap dishes on my table. I have soap dishes in store though, so yeah. But here we are, nice black and yellow joint, well, gold. We got like some silver in there, and it's like some silver and whitish on the bottom here. But yeah, make sure you subscribe to All Things Pointless, and whether you got here on purpose or by fate, thank you so much for watching this pointless unmolding. Bye.